Hello guys, this is Saurabh Sahani and welcome to my channel. This is my first video on this channel. So today we will see the 3D Revit plan of multi-story building, or you can say G+20 compound. So let's see. As you can see the plan where two buildings have one common parking tower like that, other three pair of building are as same as this plan, and these are two are the shopping complex. Now let's see the 3D plan where you can see the road connectivity, recreational area, open ground, and the details of the buildings, which all have been done in Revit. No outside data and none of any other things I have taken. So, if you want step by step process of how to draw this type of 3D plans in Revit, then stay tuned and wait for my further videos. And please keep support me, and please like, subscribe, and do share this channel. And please comment and share me your ideas and your problems regarding Revit so I can help you and I can solve your problems. Thank you.